From the KATC Weather Lab, here's Dave's forecast.
Skies are clear, temperatures are cold. We're down to 29 here in Lafayette with a wind chill now at 19 degrees. Those winds currently out of the north at about 12. Most areas along the I-10 corridor have dropped just below the freezing point. We're at 29 here in Lafayette, also 29 in Crowley and Jennings, 28 degrees in Welsh and Lake Charles, 27 the current temperature in DeQuincy. And we've got a hard freeze warning going on for the inland parishes, freeze warning ongoing for the southern sections. That will be dropped later this morning once those temperatures reach 32 and start to climb throughout the afternoon. We're expecting clear skies today, and the winds are still pretty brisk out there now, but I do believe the wind speeds will diminish as we get into the afternoon. So we're going to see a full day's worth of sunshine, but that air mass is very, very cold. So it's going to take a lot to modify this air mass, and it's not going to be really happening today. In fact, temperatures are only going to reach the upper 40s for a daytime high and then drop back to around 30 degrees early tomorrow morning. More of a warm up will start up on Tuesday as the winds will start to shift to the east. By Wednesday, our winds will come in out of the south. So after this brief 2-day period of cold weather that's a lot like winter, it's going to feel a little bit more like spring going into Wednesday and especially Thursday, where temperatures will be in the 70s. And by the time we reach Friday, we'll see one more brief cool down before a quick warm up over the weekend with a chance for some rain. For those kids who are going to school today, you're going to see temperatures hovering around 30 as you get dropped off from school. 48 degrees later this afternoon, which will also be our daytime high. We'll see those winds out of the north at around 10 miles per hour, but those winds should lighten up as we head into the latter part of the afternoon. Meanwhile, dropping back to 30 again overnight tonight, so we will see at least a light freeze occurring. So if you brought in some of those tender plants, you might want to just go ahead and keep them in for one more night. We'll get up to 60 though by tomorrow afternoon and should be near 71 as we roll into Wednesday. Quite mild there for Wednesday and Thursday before cooling off again as we head toward the latter part of the weekend and early next week. Looks like a chance for some widely scattered showers and maybe a thunderstorm or two coming up for the weekend. Right now, we're still looking at temperatures at 20.